don't got a milk dud because milk dud is like literally the bald, smooth head.
Like
yeah, you got
from my wife and kids.
yes.
Oh, coffee beans, something. It's shaped funny.
Pablo has hair.
Show us.
He's fine. What the fuck?
Alicia, what about him?
Yeah, thanks.
You're fine, milk dud.
Yeah.
But can I tell you the story how I got fucking hatfish?
Yes.
Coffee beans.
All right, so I was at this bar. And I was drinking, and then like some guy came up to me, and then like he didn't even come up to me. He just like eyed me, and I was like, he was like, "That's you who I'm like hanging out with." I'm like, "No, it's just a friend." He's like, "Take my number." I was like, maybe later. So later, I was like, whatever. He's kind of cute. So maybe at the end of the night, I got his number. He had a hat on too. He was cute, muscular, buff, looked really good, nice smile. I'm like, all right, cool. So I took his number. I was talking to him for a little bit. Didn't even get his Instagram yet. Talking to him. Then he asked me for my Instagram. I gave it to him, and then I looked at his. I said, "Bitch, what the fuck is this?" Like, he was talking for a minute.
What, he was bald?
No,
So
bitch,
good.
he looked bald from the front. I swear to God, he looked like, yes, sir. Like, his shit was I was like, oh my God. And I was trying to show my friend, because I was like,
wait, so he was bald completely, or his hairline was like back here?
His hairline was really
shit was back here. And I'm like, yo.
Wait, do you still have it?
At that point, just
yes,
shave your fucking
I can't
head.
show a
I hate
person's
when niggas
face.
do
Because
that.
bald is cute.
Camera, show them.
Oh, let me show you. Okay, so me and my friend was like trying to determine where his hairline was. She was like thinking it was right here. I'm like, no, bitch, it's right here. She's like, yo, like I fucking got hatfish, and then from that day on, like I gotta see your hair, bro.
Wait, isn't that
like before I give you my number, get your hat off.
Yeah.
isn't that?
I want to take a picture of
reverse
you.
catfish because you met him and then you saw it on the gram. It's just the other way around.
No, it's how you see like you got that on right now. I'm like, oh, he's cute, whatever. Take that shit off. No.
Yo, from now you have to be like, so are you bald? And just take the hat off.
No,
Like, are you
just
bald?
you can't even ask. Just be all like, wow. Wait.
I'm gonna show you guys.
So
That
really
shit-
nice hat.
Let me
No, I'm gonna
wear
show you a
it.
picture. This shit was ridiculous. I'm like, bro, you couldn't be serious right now. It was so bad. I was really trying to show my friend like the different. Oh, look right here. Okay. So this is. I'm sorry, we can't show this. This is him, right?
Oh, okay.
All right.
Right, with a hat on, like, all right.
Okay.
Right, let
Okay.
me see again, bro.
So is he bald or does he have hair?
Wait, let me see.
That is not the same man.
Oh my God, that's his hair. Oh.
And then look what I did.
Just
I was
go
trying to
fucking
show
bald.
her. I said no, bitch. She thought his hairline was right here. I said no, bitch. It's back here. That is his fucking hairline.
Oh my God.
Brittany, you gotta show us.
Oh my God, I couldn't believe it. And look, like,
Mm.
okay, nice ass body. Everything.
What he got that fucking doobie on? Like, you got no hair.
Like, his do-rag is right here. It should be right here. And I got a big forehead, so I can't even say shit.
But you know it's always niggas that be pulling that shit all
Go
the
to
way
like a
over
good picture
here.
first. Well, you're just on his Instagram, right? So I'll just.
No,
Just
the
keep,
screenshot.
okay. Just keep swiping this way.
I can't.
I can't. I didn't. Like, that's the thing. I did not. I refused.
Damn.
That shit is just, it's worth
The body and everything was so nice. I got hatfish, so that's real.
Yo,
It's real.
Draw.
The yellow is where my friend thought his hairline was. The red, I was like, no, bitch, that's the hairline.
That's crazy.
Yeah, it was
He
really
could
good.
just shave his fucking head. He would have
Wow.
Okay.
So like, this nigga wanted to do this shit, now he's full.
Oh.
Tapped out.
What do you mean? You better keep eating.
He a pussy.
Trying to tell me keep eating.
Why are you not eating?
Haha, he can.
Because I'm full.
We not full?
So why you keep eating?
I don't know if I'm full or not. It just tastes good.
I got that.
But I feel like with Chinese food, like it'll get
You
you
said you was
full
gonna
quick,
finish that
but
whole
then
plate,
like
so now you can't be a
30
liar
minutes
up
you're
on,
hungry again.
you know.
Chinese food, it does do that. And it's because you ate them 2 egg rolls. That's what made you full.
Something good. You guys want some shrimp rolls? It's like an egg roll, but like instead of like only the veggies and shit inside, there's shrimp.
Do you want?
Yeah, I'll try one.
Yeah, quick as hell.
It's a whole bag right there.
You want?
Y'all since y'all offering it.
Yeah, sure.
Well, do you care to try the pasta sauce that you were?
Y'all try some.
Oh, yeah.
You can pass it to you. I got a lot of mine. Stop being lazy. She took the
Not my bread, bitch.
Yo, she took the bread quick as hell. Like,
So wait.
Yeah.
It's time.
I'll take that.
That is so funny.
This shit keeps going back. I'm sorry. These long ass legs.
My bad.
Yeah,
Alright.
I know. If only this couch were pushing.
So tell us an embarrassing story that happened to you, Austin.
An embarrassing stuff.
You know when she asked that, what I thought
You
of?
thought of the same thing I thought of?
What?
The recent one at my job?
Yes.
Why?
Okay, but you're eating, so like this one's kind of nasty.
Does it have to do with shit?
Yeah.
You shitting on yourself?
No, but like, no. But like,
You
yeah.
shitted on yourself. You had to take a shit and fart.
It wasn't my fault. Okay, so here's what happened. So my sister, she swears by this ballerina tea shit. Like she drinks it before she goes to bed. She wakes up the next morning. She releases all toxins or whatever the fuck it's supposed to do for your body.
Shit.
Yeah. So like I'm like, all right, like let me try this ballerina tea. So my first time trying it, the next morning, I don't release anything. So I'm like, all right, whatever. Literally the next day after, it's supposed to get you the next morning. That whole day, I didn't really like. I mean, like I'm sure I probably did like drop a turd or whatever during the day, like but like a regular whatever.
Mm-hmm.
So the day after, I'm at work, and I'm there just doing my paperwork, doing my thing, and I feel like like a little fart coming. And I'm like, all right, like I'm gonna like let out the farts and no one around me.
Mm-hmm.
So I fart, but like
It's not a fart.
it wasn't just a fart, and like it wasn't like.
Oh my god.
It was like water, just fucking.
I'm done. I'm done.
Nope, you said
Okay,
you finish
that's
the
enough.
Like, it wasn't even like I farted and a little turd came out.
So he started basically.
I
Listen.
leaked in my
Bitch! Stop! I want to eat my food.
That's why I said maybe I shouldn't tell the story.
I mean, at least you eat the fucking leaking and shit out your ass. Oh my god.
If that about me was leaking in that mouth.
Okay, no phones in my classroom.
No. Nicolai.
Remember yesterday? Brittany. Austin.
Alright, Brad.
All right, Austin.
Really trying it.
I think that's why I get along with your brother, because he's a Sagittarius too.
Wait, what are you?
An Aries. You know Aries and Sag just get together.
I don't know. I don't really like y'all bitches because y'all like some hotheads.
You're mad.
My ex was an Aries. He was a piece of shit. We all know that.
Wait, tell us again how Nicolai used to cheerlead. I want to see that shit
Oh
again.
god, here we go.
Okay. So his sister, I've known her for like 20 years.
Yep, the one back here.
Damn, y'all old.
Wait,
20
No.
how long
years.
we knew each other for?
I was 9 years old when we knew each other, girl.
I was 8.
How do you get a sesame seed all the way up here?
Damn near 20 years.
I'm about to
I
have
was
the
eight.
itis.
And we was in cheerleading together.
I ate the mushrooms.
And Nicolette swore she was like, because I'm co-captain. She would like.
I just did what I saw the coach doing.
No,
like, the fuck?
she would be so fucking extra. She would
No,
like.
that's how the coach cheered.
Cause I'll be like this. I'll clap like this, like red hot our team is red. She'd be like
Our team is
red hot our team is like look at my thumbs. Red hot our team is red.
No,
hot.
sometimes she would do that, and then when we had to do the class, she would do like this. So I would do
No.
Maybe
that.
she didn't realize which
then
one
when
she was doing. She was just doing.
No, because there were certain cheers where you clap like this, and then certain ones that you do the
I know.
class.
Certain ones you do the class, but whatever. She's like red.
So you guys
hot,
cheerleaded
our
for
red,
Bloomfield?
hot, our team
All right,
is
now
up,
you're being
red,
extra.
HOC hot.
Once we start,
we can't be stopped. Like
My
Alright.
friend
I look at her.
yeah.
I would look at her like
That was
this.
extra. It was fun.
Did you guys have the victory cheer?
Oh, we had some one cheer. It was like, "What's your name?" Na, 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 da. You better get out the way or something like that.
Yes.
Right?
Bloomfield High School sucks though because those cheers are the same ones that are there now.
Are you serious?
I'm dead
Yeah,
serious.
I never changed it.
God
They never
damn.
changed. That's why they never win no damn cheering championships.
Wait, how does that cheer go again?
I was high.
You better get
Brittany, remember this? If you mess,
with the best.
you get beat like the rest.
Oh. If you mess with the best, you get beat by the rest.
If you mess,
This was when I started twerking. She was like,
If you mess. Austin's like this in the corner.
I'm like, hold up. Like, all I see is fucking fists flying and shit. I'm not trying to get it. This bitch too tall, too long.
Don't hate. Yes, I am tall.
That's what.
Okay.
Oh, Doran, I heard that. I heard what Austin said.
Oh,
What?
I thought I was whispering.
No, but I heard
Main word you thought.
Austin, you said. You said, oh, Doran.
I did.
What?
It had to happen.
Just eat. Go ahead.
Oh.
Oh yeah, we do have something sweet.
I sharted.
Okay. No, you didn't, bitch.
No, bitch, if you started, we would know.
And if
You
you
be
started,
running
you need
like
to get
I
up off
was.
that goddamn couch.
If I really did that
I
and you
hauled
were
ass to that
recording and
fucking
everything, I'd just sit here like,
No,
my mouth
Austin.
just open like,
Austin, if she started, she needs to
As
get
much as I want to finish this,
yo, mom will kill me.
I don't know if I can. Y'all talking
But
about shit too damn much.
Shout out to my coworker Janisa that the day that I did shit myself at work, she, on her way to work, she stopped at a store and got me underwear.
And shout out to my brother because he offered.
Yes, he did call me. He was like, dude, do you need me to bring you like some pounds? I was like, oh, thank you, Malvin, but my coworker's actually bringing me underwear.
And my bad that I missed your calls.
Yeah, I called this bitch like, Nick, please. I need I was in the bathroom for a good like 20 minutes freaking
I
out.
woke up to missed calls from him in a text. He's like, "You'll never believe what just happened to me at work. I called you so that my coworker come pick up some from underwears from you." I'm like, "What?" The
That
fuck
shit was
out.
horrible. Let's read my fortune. All things have an end. Ooh, maybe that's a sign to end this fucking video. How about another fortune? Secondfortune.com. Ooh, let's get another one. Here's your phone. Not recording. Thanks.
Why would you do that? Let everybody open it there.
You can still open your shit, but I want my second fortune on the website.
Why?
Because I didn't like my
And it's
first
bad.
one.
Like you gotta. I heard you have to like. Whew, I'm fucking full.
It's bad because why?
You have to like eat the fortune cookie
I ate mine.
and then read the
You
fortune.
ate your cookie?
I ate it and then I read it. Yeah,
Oh,
you know I eat fast.
Oh, you have to eat it and then read the.
Fucking stuff
I never
that
did
shit
that.
That's
down.
what she says. You know what's Brittany.
Who's
Let me
pubic
take
hair
my
on that
glasses
plate?
off. Cause that, you said what?
Who's pubic hair on
Sorry,
that
she
plate?
day.
It's probably mine, I guess.
From where?
Alright, secondfortune.com.
Listen, everyone listen.
She want to do an ASMR so bad. You know why? Because she stays watching them shits. I don't understand.
They
her.
are kind of
you watch
interesting.
them?
I don't understand her infatuation with it.
Cause it's like
Infatuation with it. I don't.
you just watch people like eat. It's like this. Look.
My favorite one is the pickle.
The,
lady.
yeah, she be like,
They should be like.
and then she bit that shit, she said,
Brittany
I don't
tried
like
to do
her.
one.
so good.
She be doing the most. She be like.
No, but that mic is good.
I
That
don't
shit
like her.
is
That
loud.
shit
You hear her nails, everything. She be like,
She be taking too long. Let me not even. I like her. It's my fortune. They say you are stubborn. You call it persistence. I'm persistent.
they say you're what? Wait, what?
Stubborn.
Mm.
I'm not stubborn.
Well, they do say Aries are stubborn.
We're persistent.
Yeah, but like it's kind of like the same thing.
Persistent.
No, but like there's certain things that you can be stubborn with that you can't really be like consistent with.
What you doing right now?
Persistent
Being
stubborn.
persistent?
All right, bro. What's your-
Brittany.
A
You
bargain
need to
is
get,
something you don't need
a
at
bike
a
seat so
price
can
you
go
can't
bicycle riding.
resist.
Because I wanted today was the perfect
Can't
day to go. I
resist.
wanted to go.
Where's that?
Can't resist.
We'll have to burn
Yeah,
so bad.
because
I like
her
that.
brother fucks up her bike seat, so we gotta go to Walmart and get another one.
But I don't
Fuck
even
up her
understand
what?
what the
My
fuck.
bike
When we
seat, and
bought
they're
our
gonna
bikes-
tell me that he
When
only
we
bought
bought
it
our
twice a
bikes-
year. Fucking liar.
Wait, when we bought our bikes, we had to go back to Walmart to get bigger cushions for our
Uh-huh.
cushions.
Me and
Them
her
shits
like
be
decked
hurt.
out our
Yo, them
bicycle.
shits hurt our fucking ass
Yes.
so bad. We were like, oh, hell
You never
no.
even ride your bike, so give it to me.
You fucking liar. I was riding it like...
When's the last time you rode your bike? I think the last person on that bike was
when
me.
it was nicer weather.
Last year, okay, it is. what
Like
month
now
are
it's
we?
starting to get
April.
nice again, so I want... Bitch, you know it's been like fucking cold still.
You're right.
We've just been having some nice days. So like today I wanted to go bicycle riding, but I had no one to go with.
Yo, I'm sorry. I just didn't think it's much.
Well, actually, I was supposed to go with this fuck if he got out of work in time, and he didn't.
You bike?
Yeah.
I made him get a bicycle. So
I kind of
Yeah.
got one because of you.
No, she's like, yo, get a bicycle now, we'll ride. Alright, yeah, I got
Well, this was
never
last year.
rode it.
When'd you buy it?
Last year.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's just fucking ridiculous. I mean,
Shit, since they both not using it. Yeah.
right? Me and Doran trying to be on some bikes,
What you
cardio.
talking about? I'm about to start
Alright,
using
we're
it. The weather's
done.
getting
This is
nicer
going
now.
on 40 minutes.
Speaking
We're
of
going on
weather,
40 minutes.
It's full as fuck.
40 minutes.
Oh.
I need to shut this shit off.
Right.
No, it was over.
Shut
once
it
that
down.
last piece of
Well,
the
we're gonna be
bread
clipping out a lot of
formed.
stuff anyways.
Huh?
We're gonna be clipping out a lot of stuff anyways.
Oh, you are?
Like whatever we don't like. Yeah, I'm not gonna like just leave the video the way it was. First of all, the whole beginning was like, "Hey guys, ready? Are you ready?" Like, okay.
Wait. I can't wait to see that because
Because somebody had to come out, go up, and like press the button.
It's me. No, not somebody. Me.
the one with the long arms, I'm not surprised.
Okay. Like this.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, girls, ladies, gents, thanks for coming back to my channel.
Men, female, and others.
They really got fun.
Your channel. Oh, Brett.
Oh, us.
Oh, Brittany.
Whoa, I'm not part of this.
But yeah, it's been fun.
Yeah.
I'm pretty full.
So long, farewell to you, my friend.
Is that one of your cheers?
You don't know?
No, Brittany sent me that video on Instagram. It's
No,
like
that's from the fucking
Disney or something.
Yeah. You guys are young. I forgot.
What that mean?
All right, which Disney movie? Don't try to
Yeah,
find me.
yeah. Which one?
It's not a movie. It's like a show.
Okay, which show, bitch? That's All Raven?
No, I forgot the name of the show. If you remember the name of the show, comment down below.
Do the thing again so they could try to figure it out.
It's like, so long, farewell to you, my friend.
This sounds like High School
No.
Musical.
Right.
It's something like that. My hair is super fucking puffy. God damn. No hair tie?
All right, well, that will be all.
It's been real.
Yeah.
Sorry, I couldn't finish all
Let me
my
look
food.
at
It was
myself
talking about
now.
shit so damn much.
Yeah, I might have to take one of those.
You asked for an embarrassing story. Actually, no, before we finish, hold up. I want to hear your embarrassing story.
My
And yours,
embarrassing
too.
I
Story.
might as well grab an egg roll while this going on.
Might as
My
well.
embarrassing
My
story.
stomach hurt.
Okay, I have one. It's embarrassing, but it's not really like crazy. Okay, so I was at my ex-boyfriend's brother's like Halloween party, and we were all dancing, and it was so fucking weird. Like, first of all, the party, like, you walked in and there was no music and people are still dancing. I'm like, what the fuck? So I had Henny in my hand. I was like, I need to get drunk because I can't be around these people, like, and not, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So I got drunk, and then like I got pissed drunk, literally. And we went upstairs and I fell asleep on the bed in my costume. And then I woke up and the bed's wet and I'm like, oh fuck. I'm like, yo, no, Lord Jesus, please, this is not me. I'm feeling the bed. I pissed on his brother's bed.
Oh,
It was so fucking embarrassing. That was my first time meeting him.
Bitch, if I were you, I would have grabbed that cup of Hennessy and just poured it on the bed.
I
It made it
did
seem like
some shit.
I just spilled the drink. Fuck
Yo,
that.
I was so drunk, I pissed on my
Oh,
ex-boyfriend's brother's bed.
my God.
It was so
Oh my
embarrassing.
God.
But I had a pair of changed clothes.
He had
But it was
another.
so fucking embarrassing because I was like, please don't tell him about it. Please don't tell him about it. He told him about it.
Ah, that's fucked
I'm like,
up.
you fucking
No type
asshole.
of loyalty.
Yo, it was so embarrassing. That was embarrassing. Yeah, it was embarrassing.
I just have way too many embarrassing.
Also, one
stories.
time I was at the beach and then my weave fell off in the
Oh
fucking
my
water.
God.
Yeah.
No.
Did it like go away with the waves?
It was like when I was younger, like them clip-on ponytails.
That
And my sister, I was going under the water. Actually, it wasn't even clip-on. It was the one that you wrap with
yes,
the pin,
those
but
are
I
not
didn't
the
secure
wavy
it
ones.
as well. So I'm going under the water, and that shit said boom. I'm like, Alex, yo, looking for it in the fucking water, and that shit's just floating there like some fucking seaweed. I'm like,
Yeah. I
This
have
shit
a
is so much
ponytail
fun to me
story.
because I know her and I know her sister. And, like, if you like knew her older sister, and, like how like they interact or like argue with each other, like I could just see her. Alex, and then Brittany, and then Alex probably like, Brittany, that's not my fucking problem. Like, why the fuck you lost it? Like,
exactly. She
probably was no help whatsoever.
She was fucking laughing.
Oh my god, how about the time we painted the room?
Oh, okay. There's another story. It's real quick before we leave. This is a real quick thing. Okay,
so I
so
still gotta give an embarrassing story too.
I got too many. Go ahead.
this is the
You
last
have to
one.
give one.
So when we was younger, me and his sister Nikki, when we was younger, probably like 9, we were at the park, and I stole my
On the
sister's
school playground.
and I stole my sister's nail polish. She had like a big container of nail polish that I stole, and then we went to the park and like this boy, like we were just painting rocks, bored as fuck. And then there's
all these different
Aw.
colors.
all these
polishes.
different color nail
And then
polishes.
these kids started coming up to us out of nowhere. Like, you would think it was like fucking charity or something. Like, oh, can we get one? Can I get a
Yeah.
green one? Can I get a red
that's
one?
Yeah, like come up to us
we
like
started
that.
painting rocks.
Next thing you know, 3, 5, 4, 5, fucking comes and like she's the nicest person to your face. Like this, Brittany, what do you? Come on, let's go. Meantime, she's fucking clawing the back of my neck. I'm like, she's like, come on, Brittany, let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. I'm like, Brittany. And then we go to the driveway and she beats my ass and Nicolette fucking laughs.
I was laughing because her nails were dug into the back of her neck was bleeding.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Nicolette was
She's
laughing.
basically getting attacked in front of these little kids and nobody knows it. She's trying to play it off and she's like, I'm coming.
Yo, my sister literally like, you know, like the black mothers, like grab your neck, fuck with me. How you doing? How you doing?
Yes.
She was grabbing my neck and like squeezing into it, and then like when we went home in the driveway, she whooped my ass because I told me about it. So Nicolette's like,
That's not fucking nice.
I was like, Nicolette, shut up! I remember you fucking laughed at me. I got so
Oh my
mad.
god, do you remember when she had us fucking steal for her at Walgreens and then we ran the tracks and we fucking hopped over your fence and I fell on top of your
No, it
fucking
was
basketball
East
hoop?
West. I keep trying to tell you that.
No, it
East
was
West
Walgreens.
Market?
No, it was Walgreens because it was. Remember, we originally went there because she wanted to get filmed for the fucking camera.
Oh, okay, yeah,
And
yeah,
then she
yeah.
had me steal a fucking bag of chocolates for what was it, Milky Ways or something? I think.
Yo, my sister was such a bad
But
boy.
that Walgreens, you don't ever get bagged. It's a good, it's
Alright,
a good place to steal.
I'm talking about
Sorry.
stealing.
No,
No,
that bitch was literally scanning like the back of like my jacket because my arm was stuck. Because Alex wanted to take her sweet ass time and I'm like, can we go? Can we go? Like this fucking bag is stuck inside the sleeve of my jacket, but like under like my pit basically, and my like I was starting to get like a fucking cramp keeping my arm like this forever, just like, and I'm trying to play it off like, oh, trying to look at things like, and then this woman like she's scanning prices for stuff I guess to see like if shit was on sale, and then I didn't know, and Brittany's like, Nicolette, she's like, we gotta get out of here. She was just scanning your back, like your back. And I'm like, fuck, she's scanning the back of me for? So we're leaving. And we cut to the tracks, and right there when we were like coming down the street, there's a cop car
Yeah, like
coming
sirens
towards
and shit.
Walgreens. So we're like, oh, they probably thought we were stealing. So then we like ran the tracks, and then we're like
Wait, so
hopping
you didn't
fences.
steal?
I did
Oh.
Yeah.
for her fucking sister.
Oh, because you said, oh, they probably thought we were stealing. No, bitch, you got caught.
No, we were stealing. I don't want to talk about this on YouTube though.
You gotta put like the
We
word
were young.
pineapples.
Yeah, pineapples.
We
It
were
was
pineapples.
We were
That's
young.
even worse. Huh? That's. Whatever.
I mean,
we
you were under
we
18,
were in
you
freaking
good.
elementary school. Like we were young as fuck.
Yeah, y'all was children, whatever.
Exactly.
I think everybody's stolen. I be watching those like,
Oh, yeah.
what are they called? Those daytime shows where people just have interviews like The View and shit. And they were asking questions to all of them, like, did you ever steal something when you were young? All of them were like, yes.
Yeah.
So I'm like,
Oh, yeah,
yeah, my, so it's an American culture.
It is. Shit.
Even like babies in like a carriage be grabbing shit and their
Yeah.
parents don't even
My
buy
son-
deep with.
I'll be like, where'd you get the airhead from? The store. Did you pay for it? No. Go back in there and return it. And like halfway of it is eaten. Like, yo. I got the items.
Story during story.
Alright,
I'm gonna
so
sit back
I'll
here.
go with... Well, I'll start off with one because it's similar. Like your ponytail story. I was in 6th grade.
Yeah, because lots of guys, everybody was going
So-
to elementary school, but not now when they get older.
Okay.
Nah, he look good still. And I hope you don't see this video. You know?
We can like blur out blur out the name too.
Yeah. So I'm walking home. I'm feeling myself. I got the little ponytail on. You know, a big swinging. I'm on Ella. You know, about to cut to Pearl Street. I feel a little breeze on my neck, and they're right behind me. I'm like, whoa, it's cold. I go like this, and they just start laughing. Like, I'm like, no.
Wait, they took your ponytail?
No, that shit
It just
bad.
fell off.
It fell on the
And they were walking
floor.
behind her.
Like, and then they say nothing. They was crying. I just did it. I left that shit on the floor. And
You didn't pick it up. Yo, can I tell you another funny story? When I was a ponytail story, and you know, Yuba, her name was in this story too.
Who?
Mhm. So
Who that?
Somebody that we went to school with.
So I was downstairs in my
That's
basement.
nice.
This is when I was Tyson was around. So like there's these
That
black
dumb
poles that go across the basement, and like I was always hopping on them and like hanging up on them.
You wow.
And my ponytail was just down like this. Why the fuck my dog jump up was like, I was like, ah, like yo, he put my shit down. I remember that. And she started laughing. I was like, do not tell anybody at fucking school. That just happened.
Did she tell everybody? I never heard
She's
that
like,
story.
I hate
like-
that shit.
fucking embarrassing.
My last embarrassing story. So recently I went to a club in Passaic, right?
Oh, a recent one.
We seen the vagina slay and everything. It was nice.
Oh, that guy from
Yeah, from
Black
Black Ink. So I didn't know I was gonna get served because it looked a little bit like they was on it. But this white girl put me on, so I went and I started copping drinks. I was fucked up. So this sexy ass white boy, he wanted to dance. And I said, okay, I got heels on. This nigga breaking my shit from the back, and I almost busted my ass face forward on the fucking floor. Like, I was like, and he said, you shouldn't have came to me if you wasn't ready.
Oh,
Who do you think he is?
first of all, he approached you, right?
He did. He was
Alright.
cute, though. He looked really good. But I was sick as hell. I was like, this is why you don't go to the clubs in heels. Like, you don't do that.
Right.
You bring some sneakers.
I bring like little slip-on flats.
Right.
I'll go in there with heels, and then like if I can't take it anymore, I'll bring my little flats. Alright, you done? We're done.
Yeah, we're done. I got the itis.
I gotta go release.
For better choice of words.
Release,
Hopefully I don't have to leak.
Oh my god, fucking pew.
Blood.
Fucking pew.
But yeah, it was fun. Did we all enjoy our food?
I
Yes,
did. I had a
we
great
did.
meal. Hella mushrooms, hella good
Mm.
sauce, hella good
Mushrooms,
food.
I had fun though. I know I'm tired as
Did
hell.
you enjoy your shrimp roll?
It was great.
Oh, I got hella.
Alright, cool.
Bye guys.